scholars, this is Miss C, and it is writing time. During this lesson, we will be focusing on our writing skills.
Materials.
You will need a paper and pencil for our learning today. We have 2 new learning targets for our lesson. Please follow along with me as I read them. Our first learning target says, I can make new words using base words and the suffixes ment and ness. Our second learning target says, I can write a sentence using singular words with Y endings, plural words with IES endings, and high frequency words.
Transition song.
Can you build a word from scratch? A word from scratch, a word from scratch. Can you build a word from scratch using many parts?
Word work.
Today, we will look at some base words and suffixes. Let's read some word parts and decide where they go on our chart. Ready? Our first word is agree. Is this a base word or a suffix? Agree is a base word. We can add affixes to it to change its meaning. Here's our next word. Meant. Is meant a base word or suffix? Meant is a suffix. It means the result of an action. Here's our next word. Punish. Is punish a base word or suffix? Punish is a base word. We can add affixes to it to change its meaning. Our next word is dark. Is dark a base word or suffix? Dark is also a base word. We can add affixes to it to change its meaning. Here's our next word. Ness. Is ness a base word or suffix? Ness is a suffix. We can add it to express being in a state or condition of that base word. Nice work, scholars. Get your paper and pencil ready so that we can build some words. Let's go. The first base word is agree. Our suffix is meant. When we put the base word agree with the suffix meant, what new word do we create? Agreement. Notice that adding a suffix to this word does not change the spelling of the base word agree. How does the suffix meant change the meaning of agree? An agreement is the result of 2 people agreeing. Go ahead and write down the word agreement on your paper. Let's try another word. Our base word is dark. The suffix is ness. When we put the suffix ness with the base word dark, what new word do we have? Darkness. How does the suffix ness change the meaning of the word dark? Darkness is a state of being dark. Go ahead and write down the word darkness on your paper. Here's our last word. The base word is punish. The suffix is meant. When we put the suffix meant with the base word punish, what new word do we make? Punishment. How does the suffix ment change the meaning of the base word punish? Punishment is what results when someone is being punished. Go ahead and write the word punishment on your paper. Once you're finished writing, I want you to hit your favorite dance move for all your hard work.
Transition song.
Do you know the words will write? The words will write. The words will write. Do you know the words will write on our papers today?
Writing.
For our last activity, let's use singular words with Y endings and plural words with IES endings to write a silly sentence. Here are a few words to help you. Starting from the top, we have families, puppy, bunny, donkeys, turkeys, hurry, party, and kitties. Use your paper and pencil to write a complete sentence using at least 3 words on this list. Don't forget to start your sentence with an uppercase letter and use ending punctuation. I'll keep this list up while you write. Good luck. I want to show you the silly sentence that I came up with using some words from this list. 8 donkeys and 2 families hurry to the party. Do you see how I started my sentence with an uppercase E and ended with a period? Hopefully you did the same for your sentence with the capital letter at the beginning and the ending punctuation. Let's take a look at the words with the Y and IES endings that I use. We have donkeys, families, hurry, and party. Let's try to read the entire sentence together. 8 donkeys and 2 families hurry to the party. Go ahead and try to write another sentence that has a few words with the IES ending and the Y ending.
Closing reflection.
What knowledge and skills do you have now that you did not have earlier in the year? Try writing more sentences with words that have singular Y or plural IES endings to make a silly story. I challenge you to write those sentences using those endings and share them with someone. Keep writing, and I can't wait to see you next time.